Here's a simple Python code. And can you find the output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So as you can see, we are doing slicing here. First we are replacing 1 to 3 with empty list, and then we are replacing 2 to 5 with empty list. So the output of this code is PBLEM and then PB. Now let me explain why this happened. So this was our list and each element is separated by comma, as you know, and the index is written adjacent to them. So in the first list we are trying to replace 1 to 3 with empty list. That means this list become like this, and this was our first output. So our list after manipulation was this, and when we do this from 2 to 5, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which means elements will be removed from here to here, which results in our second output.